Okay, so in this video I'm going to discuss duplicating objects and the various ways you could do that. So what I need to do next here is I need to copy a cylinder from here and move it over a little bit here on both sides. So I'll do that once here, and then move another one here, and then same on this side. If that isn't clear, it'll make more sense when you see me actually do it. So I have these four objects right now selected, and I'm going to show you one way to copy objects. It's a little bit longer of a way, and I don't think it's as quick as the way I typically use, but if you hit this button right here, this is the duplicate button. It will duplicate them. If I hit transform, it'll show them here. So I'm going to move these here. Now, if these functions are the same on PC and Mac, if you are already in the transform function and you have this box open, if you just hit D on the keypad to duplicate, it will automatically duplicate them, and you can move them freely. And that is it for this video.